Hello, I'm Stanislava Doronchenko, Ukrainian film directress. I'm introducing my docu-animated film with my own voice, exploring migration as a timeless and deeply personal struggle, particularly for Ukrainians. The film is structured as a dialogue with memory, blending real-life experiences with fictionalized elements to reconnect with one's heritage and identity. At its core, the project aims to recreate the life story of a distant ancestor, uncovering how her experience in migration have become a threat to my own roots. With the outbreak of a full-scale war in Ukraine, I found myself in the role of enforced migrant, and the desire to reflect on this experience pushed me to search for stories of migration among my ancestors. By chance, I came across a study about the Ukrainians of the Zeleny Klin, people who moved from their homeland to the far east of Russia because of the policies of the empire. Since childhood, I knew that my great-grandmother had a Ukrainian surname and came from the Russian Far East, so I connected these two facts and started researching my family. At first, the main idea of this reflection was personal curiosity, but the further I immersed myself in the topic, the more I wanted to tell the story of migration to other people. As a directress, I expected to choose the film form for this, and unexpectedly for myself, I chose the animation form. Since this film is about a person who lived so long ago, and there are very few archives left, I think the most honest way to recreate my grandma's story is an animation. The animation gives me the space for fantasy that is very much in line with my idea. I didn't know my great-grandmother personally. I was not a witness to the events, so I can only make up her story in you. Speaking about the animation technique and style, I see it as a collage technique. I'm using photos from my family archive, other archive photos that are suitable on time, place, drawings, maps. This follows, in fact, from the fragmentary nature of human memory itself, and it becomes especially clear when we speak about the memory of the family, when the personal is intertwined with the social and historical. I don't have all the visual elements which can make up this story, so I am appropriating other people's ones. Another important part of my research was traditional music. Since my great-grandmother used to sing Ukrainian songs, and I have long wanted to learn to sing, this combined into a logical arc that led to the dramatic structure of the film. Throughout the movie, I learned to sing, and at the end of the movie, I am finally able to sing freely and at full voice. The development stage was very long, and during this time I researched the traditional music of the region where my great-grandmother came from and developed the style of animation. I'm currently at the stage of creating animation and documentary scenes.